Hey there. So, one of the most troubling things in your 20s is the fact that you either don't have enough money, or you don't know how to make more money, or you don't know how to invest your money, and you have no idea how to save your money. 80% of the people actually segregate their money like this: EMIs. We all, for some reason, have so many EMIs in our 20s, which just baffles me. Phone these days, for crying out loud. A large chunk goes into loan expenses. Your commute, your food, basics, which you know that you end up spending this much money every month. Then there's this other 1/4, which you split into one, which is unknown expenses. There's also the socializing expenses, which is a huge expense. If you just don't socialize for 1 month, you'll realize just how much money you can actually save. And then there's impulse purchases. Most brands are using Instagram to basically show you products that will give a nice trigger to your impulses and make you spend. Every day you go to work, which funds this. So you're never going to be able to take any risks, because your biggest liability becomes your lifestyle. So what I suggest, start the month by actually deciding how you're going to spend the money that you earn every month. Right? Now let's imagine that your salary is 100 rupees or whatever. Now think of your salary into two parts. One is your definite expenses, which is basically like your food, your commute. Now let's say 50% of all your money goes into definite expenses. Your other 50%, right, which is basically money that you have left. Let's say you have, after certain other expenses, let's say you spend 10 and then you have 40 left. How do you split this money? 10% of this money goes into self-investment. Invest in books, conferences, online courses, things that actually help your brain grow and actually help you grow in your career as well. Even if you have that money left and you've not bought anything for self-investment in that month, you go online, find a book and buy a book. Apart from this, self-investment might also be investing in certain equipment for your passion project. Like for example, I invested in a tripod for these videos. The next thing that I put aside is 10% for a travel fund. I actually believe that travel can literally change your perspective, change your mind. So what I do is I save 10% of whatever I have. At the end of 6 to 8 months, I have enough saved to actually go out there and travel. Live cheap over there, rather than going into a fancy hotel and getting a massage. Now, this is the most important part according to me. 30% of whatever I have left, I put it in a risk fund. You're able to take risks in your life because you've saved that 30% for at least a year. If you can risk not having a job for 3 months, and if you have that much money in your account, you can take more risks. Tomorrow, if your company shuts down, or if your boss fires you, or if you want to quit, or if there's a great opportunity out there, you can take it because you have the risk fund, which will fund you for at least 3 months. Never quit your job till you have enough to fund you for 3 months. And the last one, so invest this money in the right places, and talk to the right people, get the right guidance, and invest in mutual funds or invest in whatever that you believe has long-term benefits. What's important is to understand that all of these are super important. The self-investment might not give you a return today, but 10 years later, you will thank yourself for investing in yourself. These are the things that actually build your skill set, which then make you money. Now, this format works for me. There's a link in the description, which will actually take you to a website where you can get this format. I implore you to think of money differently and think of investments differently. Investing doesn't just mean investing in FDs and LIC policies. It means investing in yourself and investing in a risk fund that actually helps you take risks when you need to. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I do videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. They're hack videos and how-to videos. And share it with your friends. If you know friends who are just not being able to manage their money and spend all their money extravagantly, go out there, be nice, and keep hustling.